All right, so there's another big issue for men as we age, and that's the decrease in the amount of testosterone that's produced. Let's talk real quickly for that athletic guy out there, that guy who wants to maintain an active lifestyle, what the loss of testosterone means to the average male as we age.
We're excited about testosterone booster. Low T is a major problem in the United States now. We're finding it in younger and younger men. The men that come into the office and have a testosterone check, it amazes me how many are low. This will decrease their energy level, their muscle mass, their ability to create erections, their sexual drive. And so when we created Empower Testosterone, we did this very simply by using the precursor to testosterone. DHEA is converted into testosterone, and this will increase the levels and naturally increase the man's testosterone.
Lowers the bad cholesterol, it raises the good cholesterol. It's really a cardiac protectant. There was only one study that came out about 3 years ago that tried to say that there was an increased risk of heart disease with testosterone. All the other studies say that testosterone is good for the heart.
Wow.
So the other thing it does is it protects the bones, okay, from getting osteoporosis. So you hear women losing their hormones and their bones get weak, which is osteoporosis. Same thing happens with a man. If his testosterone level gets low and it stays low for a persistent period of time, he's got weak bones. And then as they age, they could have a fall and have a fracture. Whereas if they got really strong bones, you have a fall, you get a bruise.
I'm a personal consumer of the Empower Testosterone Booster that you all have formulated and made available for us here in the Inspire Network. And so between the Empower Testosterone Booster and the Max Life Prostate Care Plus, I can't even touch the blue pill. I think I'm pretty potent right now. So, but I've had great results with those products.
And another thing, some people think by supplementing testosterone that it's going to cause someone to have a testosterone rage. I've had wives that try to insinuate that might happen, but all we're doing is taking a precursor, DHEA, a precursor to testosterone, naturally slowly boosting the testosterone level, not trying to get a patient out of the normal range. We're just trying to get them up in the normal range. So it's not going to be causing that, and like Rick said, it's a cardiac benefit actually.
Awesome.
Yeah, DHEA is actually made in the adrenal gland, so it's a natural substance that they're going to be taking. They're just getting a little boost to convert that into testosterone.
And like all of the other formulations, again, this is not a one and done. This is something that you need to make a part of your daily regimen to get into your system. Awesome, awesome.